Hey, what's up you guys? It's Sada, aka lilvlogbaby. So I'm currently at my friend's house and I'm gonna try to film a little bit, but my friends are camera shy, so I won't put them. But yeah, nothing too interesting here. If you guys are interested, keep watching. Maui, come! Maui! Last time I saw Maui, she was your baby. He was a baby? He was a baby. And he didn't bark. Now he barks a lot, you guys. Maui, come! Maui, say hi to the vlog. Yeah, we're ordering shawarma shweikh, you guys. Yeah. Perfecto. Stay tuned to see what a shawarma looks like. Super exciting. No, thing I hate the most is ordering, you guys. I don't know why, but I have no patience for ordering food.
Orange juice?
I'm just gonna get water.
I don't have water, I'm sorry.
Shut up, you don't have water. Wait, can you give me sparkling water?
No, I don't. Bukhalil, no parsley. Bukhalil, no parsley garlic sauce without tomato. 1 woman, bukhalil, 1 for 3.
Water! Because I'm thirsty. Don't be a thirsty.
Are you a vlogger?
Maui! What'd you do?
Riding today.
Wait, my friend is a pro rider, you guys, and she's never taken me. Rude! She's ridden twice. She's rid twice, you guys, but she's a pro rider in my eyes because I'm so proud of her.
I'm a pro.
She's also a wakeboarder pro. a pro wakeboarder. My friend's super cool, but she's camera shy. But trust me, she will be on my vlogs very soon. Trust me, I'm gonna break it. For a makeup tutorial. Sound off in the comments below if you want me to do a tutorial on my friend.
My hair isn't sick.
Did you subscribe?
I don't have an account.
I'm gonna make you have an account.
Make me.
Guys, I'm forcing my friend to subscribe to me. Okay,
How
so
do I subscribe? I don't know how to. I'm not good with technology.
There, right there. Subscribe.
Wait.
I'm gonna be doing.
I just click it.
Everyone I see. Yeah.
Hey.
Hey. You listen, you guys. Listen. All my friends don't have YouTube accounts. How rude! None of them are subscribed to me.
Literally.
This I keep closing it, guys, because my friend wants to tell me a secret. Camera back on, people, so no one say names, no one say secrets. Let's keep it PG here. I don't want to get demonetized either. It feels like what?
It's January 74th.
Literally, every year, for some reason, January is the longest. Like last year, January stayed for like 3 months, I felt, right? But this year, no. Mata what? Stay hydrated, you guys. I'm always hydrated. Oh, can you guys get me a green tea?
What?
Can you make me a green tea? Staying hydrated is key. Look at Maui, she's so cute. He's so cute. Maui. Maui. I can literally have a vlog, like a whole vlog just on Maui, because he's so cute. ليش مو واضح? Maui. Maui. How do I make it clear? Do you know how to use a camera?
Let it focus.
How? Oh, harakat, Sarah. You guys, I just learned how to make it focus. I'm so weird, you guys. I'm just gonna watch Maui. Whoa, whoa. Why does he bark a lot when someone's at the door?
Look at his eyes, it's so red.
Yeah.
When they washed him.
Does he have anything? Do you have red eye?
Look at the shampoo.
Red eye, red eye. Red eye, red eye. Maui, do you love me? Bark once if you love me, bark twice if you don't. Forcing my friends to watch lilvlogbaby. It's a lilvlogbaby party. Hey. Mama's not watching my vlog. It's my Diamond Bomb How Many Carats highlighter. I'm so glad I bought it. Okay guys, so the shawarma's here. He's not here.
It's on the other side. Left.
Okay, okay. Salam. Shukran. Don't worry. Thank you. Excited about that. We're gonna have a mini mukbang in the middle of my video. Mukbang, I don't know.
This is the sauce for the
minor coordinates and you would. Are we gonna keep watching my vlog? I'm so happy.
No.
My video. This is a shawarma, you guys.
Let me just eat, babe.
Look at that. Look at that. Yum. Wait, is there sauce in this? What is the sauce? Oh, the salata sauce. You have ketchup?
Check in the fridge. I love it. I love it though.
Before I for lush, I'm gonna go in with the same palette from Too Faced. I'm gonna go in with these two shades. Bismillah awal akhira. Okay, we're done. And I'm gonna kind of like do a weird smile. Like the Grinch. There's no tomato in this. Oh yeah, there is. Shout out to Shawarma Shwaif. Best shawarmas in Kuwait.
I love this stuff. Honestly, I've been doing it for a couple of months and I live because it makes me look like a little bit of sunburn. I just came back from the Bahamas. Cute little sunburn. You see? What? Wow. Wow. Oh my god, wow.
How do people do this? They just eat?
So next I'm gonna set my face using
Can't really talk.
Fix Plus. Don't laugh. Don't laugh.
There's a missing chicken. It just fell on the ground. I don't know where it is. I'm gonna try to find it. Dogs can eat chicken.
I need to get through this because I'm taking my time.
And I'm done taking my time. But it's good. Tomatoes make everything better. If you don't like tomatoes, none of my friends like tomatoes, but I have tomatoes. They literally hate tomatoes and they almost hate me because I love tomatoes.
I don't know, it's just easier, okay?
Wait, I have to just show Maui.
So then I'm gonna
Look at Maui just staring at my friend while she eats.
I'm gonna feed you in an hour.
I promise we feed him, you guys, but it's not his time. He's still a puppy, right? How old is he?
8 months.
8 months?
I learned my keep as well.
Baby! He's literally a baby. Yo, are you here?
The rest I just learned.
Yeah, it's open, come. We kinda ate before you, sorry.
Then I'm gonna go in with whatever the floss I find.
They're gonna bark.
First.
You gonna bark? The dog?
They're gonna bark.
Maui, my friend is here, so don't bark.
Okay, I'm gonna go in with
No.
like
No.
How come you didn't bark?
No. Hi.
I'm filming a mukbang.
No.
My friend just got me green tea.
Here, it's here.
I just had my tomato shawarma. Bye. Yeah. Narcissist much. Look at that. You think it bothers him when I do that? It's so messed up. This vlog is like 10 minutes of me petting Maui. Say hi, guys. Talk to me, baby. You're a pretty little missy baby. Why? Who's a good dog? This vlog is probably gonna be like 15 minutes of just Maui. You're a pretty little missy baby. Please don't turn around. Kuwait City. Da, 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 da. What? Is it recording? I tried to get Maui to run after me. No, I think we just lost Maui. We found him. Maui, come.
Good boy. Good boy, baby. Good boy.
This is how excited we get when Maui poops.
Maui.
I feel like your place is the best place for dogs because they have so much space to run. It's too zoomed. Oh, you're done? Oh, my friends don't talk either, you guys. We're out here in the desert. I'm gonna show you the houses, but it's a desert. Desert life. Someone said it smells like popcorn farts. Ew. Talk to me, baby. Was it recording? Oh, it's 7 minutes, that's it? It felt like an hour. I'm not gonna put you. I don't want you on my channel more than you don't want to be on my channel. Just kidding. If anyone's down to be on my vlog, let me know, because literally no one wants to be on my vlog. I think I should get new friends. No, I'm kidding, I love you guys. We're just literally following Maui around. Just like, I was gonna say, this looks like a cemetery. Wait, I don't want to have a Logan Paul moment. You know when he filmed that dead body and he put it on YouTube? But for real, doesn't this look like a cemetery? Or like a grave? So weird. So sketch.
It's a flower.
You guys, this is a special kind of flower that only grows in Kuwait. And it only grows in like sand that no car has driven on. Because the seeds die. But isn't that cool? You only see this in Kuwait. It's called nuwer. Nuwer. Word of the day. Word of the day, nuwer.
You don't find it nowhere.
Maui, why? Say hi, Maui. Maui. Say thank you for watching. And say that you love my subscribers. Maui! Okay, so I think I'm gonna end the vlog there. Hope you guys enjoyed. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome. And I'm so grateful for everyone who subscribed in the past couple of days. Thank you. I love you guys. And I see you later. Oh, before I go, make sure you drop a comment and let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see more of. I have a lot of mine, but I want to know what you guys have to say. Or what you guys want to see. Okay, love you guys. Peace.
Best you never had, I'm the best you never had.